All right, chapter 7, first section, we're talking about functions. And before we even begin in working on problems that deal with operations of them, we should have a quick discussion about what, in fact, this actually means. So we used to call equations like this y equals x squared plus 2x. Then we decided, we can be more accurate than just y. We can actually use this other terminology, which allows us to talk about exactly what is it that we're going to plug in to figure out how much it's worth. So when it says f of x, it's actually telling us how much is this function x squared plus 2x going to be worth when instead of x, we plug in a number. So that number can be anything. That number could be minus 3. So instead of an x in this function, we're going to plug in a negative 3 everywhere that we see an x. So this function at negative 3 would be worth negative 3 squared, which is 9, plus 2 times negative 3, which is minus 6. So at negative 3, this function would be worth 3. So that's how we evaluate it. In the old days, this would have told us that when x is worth negative 3, that this y value, or this whole thing, was worth 3. So these are very similar in how we use them, and they're almost interchangeable. But this is the form that we're going to be using in this chapter.